Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today we will do unboxing of multifunctional sewing machine from NC company. The model number is FHSM505. Might be this video is helpful for you to do basic setup of machine, or maybe to have the idea how machine look like and which functionality they offer. So with the machine we got normal power supply cable, as well as UK adapter, exchanger, and some bobbins to use. Machine itself looks very nice, not so heavy. It's easy to carry anywhere, and material is also nice. And yeah, it's not that difficult to use, I can say. Here you can see there are many functions available for this machine. There are approximately 12 different sewing types which you can use, and to do bobbin setup it's also easy. So just follow my video and you will have more idea about how to do setup and how to use the machine. So here you can see the all functions, which type of sewing is available, and by rotating this wheel you can set up the sewing according to your requirement. And it also come with the foot pedal, so from there you can control this sewing. And it also has the on and off switch, so if you don't want to use pedal, then you can also use the switch. Here I'm first try with the number 1 swing. It is straightforward and machine works really smooth without any issue. And we also try with number 12 too, and that you will see in next part. Yeah, so here you can see you can also do reverse and forward, and machine works really good. It has also not that noisy. It is less noisy, and it's come with the small LED too. So in the night if you want to work, you can also turn on the light and you can work on it. Yeah, I think it's a complete machine, so you can easily carry wherever you like and easily do whatever you want to do. So now this is the number 12. As you can see, this needles is doing his action in according to that number 12's functionality. So here how it is look like. So it's worked really nice, and I'm really happy with this machine. So intention of this video is just to give you the idea. If you are looking for any small multifunctional sewing machine, then maybe you can prefer this kind of machine. It's really good and easy to use and not that complex to do setup. And here I am showing how to do the setup of bobbins. So this is how you have to put it. It's very easy. Once you put this thing, then you have to put one bobbin here too. It comes with the complete guideline, so from there also you have idea. And this machine cost approximately €60, so it's definitely worth to buy this kind of machine if you are interested to do sewing or something like that at home. It is nice hobby actually. So by following this step you can do the first setup for this thread and bobbins. Once this setup is done, then you are ready to go. In the beginning it's look a bit tricky, but once you started to use, then it's not that difficult and you are much familiar, and it's easy, not that difficult to do this setup too. So that is all. If you like my video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you in next video.